If you have any doubt in this, you can ask. Okay. First, we will take this characteristic equation. Comment on the stability of the system whose characteristic equation is given below. So, take the characteristic equation. Okay. So, what is the highest degree of polynomial here, or highest degree of
So
coefficient?
4.
S power 4. Take it S power 4, S power n, and S power n minus 1. What is S power n minus 1? What is S power n minus 1?
So S cube.
S cube. What is the coefficients of S power 4? First row, what are the values I want to take? What are the coefficients I want to take?
Sir, 121, 20.
1, S power 4 is 1, S square is 21, and the constant term is 20. Any doubt? S power 4, S square minus 2, then we will get S power 0. What about next? S cube?
Sir, 636, 0.
636 and 0. Any doubt in that? We will construct the row array like this. Okay. What will be that next row? What is the next row?
Sir, S square.
S square. Very good, dear. So now we can construct it for row array for S square. Can you tell me the answer?
Sir, 1520, 0.
1520, 0. Okay. So others, please listen and tell me how to do this. So S square, how to find it? S square, 6 into 21 minus 1 into 36. So 21 into 6 minus 36 divided by previous row, first column, the coefficient is 6. What is the answer, dear?
15.
So 15, sir.
15. Okay. Next, if you want to find it in this coefficient, this box, what is the coefficient? Now what we have to do, the same principle like matrix. In the matrix, if you want to find it, if you are considering this column, what is the determinant, then we are skipping this entire column and we can consider next column. The same principle here, first column, 6 into 20 minus 1 into 0 divided by 6 is?
Sir, 20.
20. Very good. Any doubt in that? So next row, obviously it may come for, here it should be 0, here it should be 0. So here it may come for 0. Next, S power 1. What is S power 1?
Sir, 2800.
So we have to substitute 15 into 36 minus 20 into 6 divided by 15. Correct? What is the answer?
Sir, 28.
28. Okay, dear. So obviously now you can see 15 into 0, 6 into 0, we will get 0. Next column also it may come 0. What about S power 0?
Sir, 2000.
20. Already I told you S power 0 coefficient always A of n. Okay, A of n. In the previous router array itself I told you S power 0, the coefficient always it may come for A of n, because here the coefficient it is S power 0. Okay, so the same thing here it may come for 20. So next 28 into 0, 15 into 0, we will get 0. Any doubt in this? This is the complete route array. Start from that S power n and end at S power 0. Any doubt to construct the route array? If you have any doubt, please ask. I am ready to tell you. Hello, dear. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, how to decide the system stability?
So we'll see the number of sign changes in the first column.
Okay, dear. Is there any sign changes in the first column?
No, sir.
No,
Okay. So this is the first column in the row array. Is it clear? This is the first column in the row array. You can see that here to here it is positive sign, here to here positive sign, here to here positive sign, here to here positive sign. There is no sign changes are predicted. It means that
It's a stable system.
all the roots are located in left half of the S plane. So the system is absolutely stable system. Is it clear? Any doubt? Any doubt to construct the route array?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, dear. Here, how many number of roots will be there? What is the total number of roots?
5 roots.
How it is 5 roots, dear?
Sir, 4.
4 roots. Here we have s power 4. 4 roots. Okay. So while considering the location of the roots, you can see here from here to here one transition. This is one root. And here to here another transition. This is second root. Here to here it should be third root. Here to here it should be fourth root. While considering the sign changes, okay, suppose you can check that how many number of sign changes or how many roots are located in right half of the S plane. We can see that how many number of sign changes. Suppose here one sign change is predicted. Example. Okay, dear. Suppose I am saying here one sign change is predicted. How many number of root will located in right half of the S plane then? Are you able to follow what I am saying? Here to here there is no sign change. Here to here there is no sign change. Here to here able to follow or not?
Yes, sir.
Here to here what happened?
So no sign change.
Hey, I have told you
Okay,
that
okay.
here it is negative 28.
Okay, sir. Then one sign change.
Then here one sign change. Here to here.
So second sign change.
So now you can say that there are two roots located in right half of the S plane. Like that we can going to conclude. Suppose if there is any sign changes are predicted. Okay, dear. Is it clear? Able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because in this problem there is no sign changes are predicted. All the roots are located in right half of the S plane, because sometimes they will ask the question, conclude the system whether it is stable or unstable and determine that how many number of roots are located in right half of the S plane, left half of the S plane and j omega axis. Okay, in that case you can see that is there any sign changes, accordingly we can going to say that. So how many number of roots are located in left half of the S plane, right half of the S plane? In this problem, where the roots are located, how many number of roots here?
4 roots.
What, dear?
2 roots in right half of S plane.
What? I can't get.
Sir, 2 roots in right half of S plane.
No, now I have removed for that a negative sign. I have included all the
All roots, sir. All
So
roots in
here
left
we
half.
have 28. No. So all the, how many number of roots?
All roots in left half of S plane.
Don't say that all the roots,
4.
all 4 roots. There are 4 roots. All the 4 roots are located in left half of the S plane. So the system is stable system. Like that you can conclude. Okay, dear. Any doubt? Suppose here sign is negative sign is present. That time you can conclude that 2 roots are located in right half of the S plane. 2 roots are located in left half of the S plane. Is it any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. For this problem, there is no sign change. All the roots are located, or all the 4 roots are located in left half of the S plane. You can see the conclusion. Is it the same value we have the route array? this router A and what we constructed the router A, both it is same?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, you can see the conclusion. The number of sign changes in the first column equal to 0. No roots are lying in right half of the S plane. The given system is absolutely stable system. Conclusion is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, dear. Any other doubts, please? Others, feel free to ask your doubts, because these are the very important point and important question. These are the helpful for your lifetime technology. Whenever you can go for higher studies or when you go for GATE exams, this type of questions always must be present. That's what I am saying. This is helpful for lifetime. So if you have any doubt, feel free to ask your doubts. You can see any gate question without root locus, without this what is router A. You can't find any questions. Okay, without root locus, it won't frame for any gate questions. In the gate examination, always 2-3 questions will be present in the router A. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask. Milan, Nandal, Prarthana, Ritika, Srihari, all are present?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
dear.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So no doubt we will move next problem. Please tell me first, acknowledge. Then only we
Yes,
can
sir.
discuss
Yes,
more
sir.
number of problem. Write down this problem. Command on the system stability for the given characteristic equation. So what is S power 4? What is S cube? What is S square? Tell me the answers first. What is S power 4? 1. Again 1 S square, and constant value it is 5. What about S cube? 2 and S is 4. What is the answer? 2 into 2 minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 1. Correct? 5 into 2s are 10. 10 minus 1 is 0. Sorry, 10 minus 0 divided by 2 is 5. What about S power 1? Minus 4 minus 10 minus 4 minus 10 divided by minus 1. What is the answer? Minus 14 divided by minus 1 is 14. So here it should be 0, here it should be 0. So next 1 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0. What is S power 0? 14 into 5 minus 0 divided by 14 is 5. Correct?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you justify and tell me the system stability?
It's unstable because there's a sign change and there's one root on the right side of the S plane.
One root here,
Two roots,
Two
sir.
roots.
Two
Two
roots.
roots.
two roots are located in right half of the S plane. Okay, here to here, carefully you can write it how many number of roots, because that is very important. Here to here one root, here to here another root. Okay, so first root there is no sign change, second root here one sign change, here negative to positive again one more sign change, here to here there is no sign change. Totally 2 sign changes are predicted. So there are 2 roots located in right half of the S plane, 2 roots are located in left half of the S plane. So the system is
Unstable.
unstable system. You can see their answers. We have the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any doubt in that? Others? If you won't have doubt, please tell me. I will move next problem, because we want to discuss lot more problems here.
No doubts, sir.
Because hereafter all the technique, it may take time consuming process. Please, you can acknowledge your side, then only I can move fast. Okay, dear. Can I move next step?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Next, one more important special case here. Okay. One more important special case. Suppose you can think about this route array. Okay. Suppose in this route array, first column, any of the row becomes 0. Suppose, example I am saying, okay. Here, we are getting 0. Suppose any of the row, first column, it becomes 0. This row, first column, it becomes 0. So such situation, what you can do is replace the 0 into eta. Replace this 0 into eta and proceed complete row array. Okay, dear? Proceed entire complete row array. And after completing the row array, you can see that above and below zeta, is there any sign changes or predicted? Is it clear? Above and below zeta, is there any sign changes or predicted? If there is a sign change, then directly you can say that, what you will say if there is any sign change?
Set is
Unstable.
unstable.
Unstable system. Okay. If there is no sign changes or predicted, okay, if there is no sign changes or predicted here, but the one of the first row, sorry, one of the column, the first column, any of the row becomes 0, then the system, it may come into the category of unstable system or marginally stable system. It won't come into the category of stable. Clear my point? It means that above and below zeta, you can check is there any sign changes. If there is sign changes, directly you can say that the system is unstable system. Suppose there is no sign changes or predicted, it means that some of the roots are located in j omega axis. Means, are you understand? Some of the roots are located in j omega axis. Are you understanding my point?
Yes, sir.
So you can see that any of the row, first column, it becomes 0, replace 0 into eta and complete entire row array. After completing the row array, you can see that any sign changes in the first column. It means that if there is any sign changes, then you can conclude that the system is unstable. If there is no sign changes are predicted, or any one of the row, first column becomes 0, some of the roots are located in j omega axis. Okay. So if some of the roots are located in j omega axis, we can conclude that it is marginally stable system. Again, if there is no sign changes also, there may be a chances of getting the system enter into unstable. What is the case? If there is no sign changes are predicted here, okay, but one of the row, the first column becomes 0, such cases the system may possible enter into unstable or marginally stable. Not only the sign changes, but here there is no sign change, but as I told you, some of the poles are located in j omega axis. Again, what are the criteria I told you? Some poles are located in j omega axis. Are you remember my point? Are you getting my point what I am asking? Hello my dear students, please acknowledge. Suppose.
Marginally stable, right?
Sir, if it is
Marginally
non-repeated and repeated roots.
Yes dear, that's all. That is the point I am expected. Very good. Who told you like that? Okay, Siddharth.
Yes, sir. Sir, in your PPT it was there.
Okay dear, very good. Very good. In PPT already I told her. That's what I am asking. What you remember? Okay. Suppose you can see that there may be a non-repeated pair of roots lying in the j omega axis. One case is, see, listen. Once you can see that above and below zeta, if there is no sign changes, it means that there may be a chances of poles located in j omega axis. One case, okay. Second case, there may be a non-repeated pair of roots lying in the j omega axis. Again, the system is marginally stable system. This is also marginally stable system. And third case, there may be a chances of repeated pair of roots lying in the j omega axis. What is the system stability?
Unstable, sir.
Unstable.
Unstable. That's what I told you. Once any of the row, the first column becomes 0, the system, it may be marginally stable or it may be unstable. These two cases only it may come. Okay, it won't come for the stable criteria. So again we can going to predict it. If there is sign changes, directly you can write the system is unstable. If there is no sign changes, we can find where the roots are located. Then only we can conclude that the system is unstable or marginally stable. Okay dear, we will see such type of problem, you may understand very clearly. Are you understanding this rule? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No doubt. Okay, we will go for the special case what it is given. Now you can see the property of the special case. The property of the table do not change when all the coefficients of the row are multiplied by the same positive number. Suppose you can see that entire row you can going to multiply or divide by the same number, the property of the row array will not be changed. Okay, entire row you can going to multiply or divide by the same number. It won't affect the characteristics of the row array. If you are multiplying by 2 for entire row, it won't affect the row array. It won't affect the property of the row array. Or divide by the same number, divide by 2. Entire row you can divide by 2. The entire row array characteristics, it cannot be changed. Okay, that is the first one. The first column term becomes 0. What I told you before. Replace 0 by eta and continue. If the signs above and below zeta are the same, then there is a pair of complex imaginary roots. Okay, above and below zeta, above zeta row as well as below zeta row, you can check is there any sign changes. If there is no sign changes, then there is a pair of complex imaginary roots. Okay, if there is a sign change, then there are roots with the positive real parts. Is it clear, this property, special case property? If not, tell me, I am ready to repeat. Please acknowledge first. Hello, my dear.
No doubt, sir.
So in the first column, there could be a case where like multiple elements are 0.
That I will tell you later, dear. First, we will discuss about the second case. Okay, dear. We will have one more case. Your doubt will be clarified later. Okay, Arshit?
Okay, sir.
Please wait. Any doubt up to that point?
No, sir.
Okay, dear. Write down the problem. S power 5 plus 2s power 4 plus 2s cube plus 4s square 3s plus 1 equal to 0. Command on the system stability for the given characteristic equation. S power 5 row, you can take it from the characteristic equation 1, 2, and after that, after s power 5, s cube and s 1, 2 and 3. And next you can consider that next row, that is s power n minus 1. What is s power n minus 1? S power 4. S power 4, s square and constant. 2, 4 and 1. Any doubt in that? First two rows. Now you can check s cube row. 2 into 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay. The first column, it becomes 0. Next, the same way. 2 into 3, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 by 2 is 2.5. Next column, it should be 0. So here it should come for 0. Next, here you are already obtained that if it is 0, any of the first column of the row, then you can replace into eta. Okay, dear. Substitute eta. What is the answer? 4 into zeta minus 2.5 into 2 is 5. Divided by the previous row, first column, what is the element zeta? This into, next, this into 1, zeta into 1, minus 2 into 0, divided by zeta. We can get 1. Any doubt? Next, s power 1. How to determine s power 1? this x into this y. Multiply this x into y minus zeta into 1, that is zeta, divided by the previous row first column, 4 into zeta minus 5 divided by zeta. Next this into 0, this into 0 minus 0 zeta into 0, we will get 0. Next row, next column, there is no element, so it should be 0. So now s power 0 component, this into 1 minus this into 0 divided by this x. If you did, then this x into 1 divided by x will be get cancelled, we will get 1, s power 0. Next you can see that this into 0 minus this into 0, we will get 0. Next column, no other coefficient, so it should be 0. Any doubt in the construction of Routh array? Same principle, same procedure. Any doubt? Construction of the Routh array?
No.
Okay. Now you can see that sign changes. Before entering into the sign changes, I want to tell you, we are replaced that 0 into eta, no? So we have to consider that wherever eta component is left. So I will consider that 4 into zeta minus 5 divided by zeta. Now you can substitute zeta tends to 0. Limit, apply zeta tends to 0. What is the answer here? What is the answer, dear? 4 into 0 minus 5 divided by 0. What is the answer?
Minus infinity.
Minus infinity. Very good. Here we will get minus infinity. That's why here they written negative sign. Okay. The same principle here also you can apply. Apply zeta tends to 0. It means 4 into zeta minus 5 divided by zeta into 2.5 minus zeta divided by the x term, 4 into zeta minus 5 by zeta. If you substitute the limit zeta tends to 0, what is the answer here? This already we have minus infinity. Here also we have minus infinity. Then here it should come for 0. So minus infinity divided by minus infinity,
Positive.
minus minus cancel. Okay, we will get positive answer. Are you able to follow? So you can see that next column, here to here. So how many number of sign changes you are predicted here? Here to here there is no sign change. Here to here there is no sign change. Next you can see that here to here one sign change. Here to here another sign change. Next here to here there is no sign change. Here you no need to find it where the location of the roots, because some of the roots are located in right half of the S plane. The system is unstable system. Are you able to follow or not? Two roots are located in right half of the S plane, so the system is unstable system. Able to follow or not? Please acknowledge. Don't be silent.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, one more special case. Okay. Second special case. Suppose the same case. Here you can consider that the entire row. Suppose you are taking that this row, it becomes 0. Okay. All this row, it becomes 0. Okay. You are getting entire row becomes 0. The procedure, it should be very simple as well as same. If the entire row becomes 0, what you can do is this row, for this which row it becomes 0, the previous row you can take it as the auxiliary equation. What is that auxiliary equation? Previous row, how we are writing that equation? How we are substituted s power 4? How we are writing s power 4 row? S power 4 plus s square plus constant. Yes. So s cube, how we can write?
Sir, s cube plus s1
2s cube
plus 4s1
plus 4s plus 0. Correct, dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose the entire row it becomes 0. The previous row, which row it becomes 0, that previous row you can write it as the auxiliary equation, and you can differentiate this auxiliary equation. Why need to differentiate? Because here we have s cube row, but here we required for s square row. Okay, we required the component of s square. If you differentiate, the degree of polynomial is going to be reduced by 1. Yes, correct or wrong? So d into AE divided by, so if you differentiate this auxiliary equation, what you will get?
6x square plus 4.
dE by ds. So we will get 6 into s square plus 4. Correct, dear? That value you can substitute into the s square root. Replace the 0 and here you will get 5. And next row, next column we will get 4. You can substitute this and proceed for entire row array. Again the procedure it should be same. What is the thing I told you? When the first column it becomes 0, what are the cases I told you? If the first column becomes 0, what is the case?
Replace it by zeta.
Okay, that is okay. Criteria. The stability criteria what I told.
So let's see the sign changes before and after zeta.
Okay, dear. Then unstable. If it is not changes the sign.
Marginally stable.
Marginally stable.
Again marginally stable or it may be unstable according to the location of the roots.
Check the location of the roots and then.
Very good. That point is very, very important. Directly you should not write that it is marginally stable. We can find it where the location of the roots. Then only we can exactly say that it is unstable or marginally stable. The point is clear. The same case here, the entire row becomes 0. The system now entered into unstable or marginally stable. Same criteria. Above and below row, you can going to check is there any sign changes. If the sign changes are predicted, then the system is unstable. If there is no sign changes, you can find it where the roots are located and you can going to determine and you can going to conclude that the system is unstable or it is marginally stable. Okay, maybe the roots, some of the roots are located in j omega axis, non-repeated pair of roots lying in j omega axis or repeated pole located in j omega axis, poles or roots, whatever it is. And the location first we can going to determine, then you can going to say that it is unstable or marginally stable. Clear? Clear the points?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down this problem. Write down this next problem, this problem. Comment on the stability of the system whose characteristic equation is given below. Now you can write what is the highest degree of polynomial here? What is the highest degree of polynomial?
6.
6.
6. Okay, what is the coefficients of 6?
1.
1, 8,
8, 20,
20 and 16.
16.
Correct? What is s cube? Sorry, s power 5, 2. Next, s cube is
12.
12, s is 16.
16.
Okay, dear. Next, what we have to do? What is the next column? Next row?
S4.
S power 4. Very good. What is s power 4? So here it should be 0. What is s power 4? 2 into 8s are 16. 16 minus 12.
Oh.
16 minus 12 is
2.
4. 4 by 2 is 2.
4.
Next, 2 into 20, 40. 40 minus 16 is 24, divided by 2 is 12. Okay, 2 into, next 2 into 16 minus 1 into 0 divided by 2 is
So 16.
16. Any doubt? Next column it should be 0. What about next row? S cube row.
So
All the columns are 0.
2 into 12 minus 2 into 12, 0. Again 2 into 16 minus 2 into 16, 0. 2 into 0 minus 2 into 0, it should be 0. What we have to do now? What is the step?
Auxiliary equation.
for auxiliary equation.
What is the auxiliary equation?
So 2s4 plus 12 s square plus 16.
2s power 4 plus 12s square plus 16 equal to 0. What is the differentiation of this?
8s cube plus 24s.
The auxiliary equation divided by ds. What is the answer? 6 into s cube plus 24 into s plus 0 equal to 0. Correct?
8s cube.
Sir,
Yes, dear.
excuse me, sir. Sir, can you please explain once how do we determine the auxiliary equation?
This row it becomes 0, no? S cube row. So previous row it
Yes,
is s
sir.
power 4. This s power 4 row, here s power 6, how we are writing that entire row? S power 6, s power 4, s square and constant. S power 5, how we can write? S power 5, s cube and s. S power 4, how to write? S power 4, s square and constant. So 2s power 4 plus 12s square plus 16 equal to 0. That's what I have written.
Okay, sir.
Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Same way you can going to write. Now, we have, after differentiating that auxiliary equation, we have that values. What are the values? So now we can going to replace 0 into, instead of 0, what is the answer?
So 8.
So 8.
What here? 8. Sorry, I have written wrong. 8. You can write it 8. Here,
So 24.
24. Next it should be 0. Now you can determine what is s square. 8 into 12 minus 2 into 24 divided by 8. What is the answer? 8 into 12 minus 24 into 2 divided by 8.
So 6.
6. Okay, dear. Next, 8 into 16 minus 2 into 0 divided by 8 is 16. Correct? What is s power 1? 6 into 24 minus 8 into 16 divided by 6. Tell me the answers fast.
So 8 by 3.
8 by
8 by 3. 8 by 3 means 2.33. What is that?
2.66.
2.66. Okay. Next, what it may come? 6 into 0, 8 into 0. Here it should be 0. S power 0 coefficient is here. There is no place, so I will write it here. What is s power 0? That it may come
16.
for 16. That's all. That is the complete router. You should not repeat like this. Okay, here I am not having place. That's why I have written above. Any doubt in that? You can see that route array. Is it correct what we have written? Same route array we have.
Yes, sir.
Others? Please
Yes, sir.
cooperate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you are cooperating only, I will take lot of problem that it will be benefit for you. If you won't cooperate, then I must not take much problem. One problem only I will take. So decide yourself. So first column here you can see that is there any sign change? Is there any sign change in the first column?
No, sir.
No sign changes. It means that there is no roots are located in right half of the S plane. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? There is no roots
Yes,
are
sir.
located right half of the S plane. So the entire row becomes 0 means there may be a chances the poles are located or roots are located in j omega axis, or second case is repeated non-repeated pair of roots lying in j omega axis, and third case there may be a repeated pole located in j omega axis. These three cases are possible now. First two cases the system is marginally stable, third case is system is unstable. So we can going to determine where the roots are located. How we can going to determine? Here we have the auxiliary equation. Here we have auxiliary equation. So what are the auxiliary equation we have? 4 roots are there in this auxiliary equation, correct? So what is the auxiliary equation? 2s power 4 plus 12s square plus 16 equal to 0. So now entire characteristic equation or entire auxiliary equation you can divide by 2. We will get s power 4 plus 6s square plus 8 equal to 0. Now you can substitute into the roots equation. Before entering into the roots equation, here 4 roots are there. So you can consider that y square, y is equal to, you can consider that s square. Okay, then you can replace this characteristic equation, replace this auxiliary equation. What is the auxiliary equation? Y square plus 6y plus 8 equal to 0. Now you can going to determine the roots. So roots equation minus b, minus x plus or minus root of b square. What is the b square? 36 minus 4ac. What is that answer? 4 into a is 8, c is 4, a is 1 and c is 8. So what is the answer? It is 32 divided by 2a. A value is 1. So minus 6 by 2 is minus 3. Correct? Correct or wrong? Plus or minus root of 36 minus 32 is 4. 4 if you are taking outside, it may come for 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Plus or minus j. Correct? Something wrong?
So it won't be j, it will be plus minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Plus minus 1. Okay. I think the characteristic equation I have taken 2s power 4 plus 12s square plus 16. Correct only, no? We have, okay. So we have minus 3 plus or minus 1. Sorry, it's not j. Okay. Now, s square value is minus 3 plus minus 1. So what is the roots then? That is equal to y. Okay, this is equal to y. So we can going to determine that what is s square. So s square it may come for minus 3 plus or minus 1. Substitute plus 1. So we will get s square it may come for minus 2. And you can substitute that minus 1. S square it may come for minus 4. Then what are the roots? S is equal to plus or minus j root 2 and s square is plus or minus 2. Any doubt? So where the roots are located then? S is equal to plus or minus j2. Okay, plus or minus j2. So plus or minus j2, and s is equal to plus or minus root of j2. Root of j2. What about the system stability then?
Marginally stable.
Marginally stable system. Are you understand the criteria how we can going to determine the roots? Any doubt? So this is the way we can going to determine the system stability. Suppose we have entire row, it becomes 0, or else suppose in the previous case I told you, no, the first column it becomes 0. Okay, the first column it becomes 0. You can take that previous row as the auxiliary equation, and you can determine that where the roots are located. Or you understand? Same principle you can apply there also. Suppose if there is no sign changes are predicted, but in our second problem we have that sign change, that's why directly we are written that the system is unstable. But here we cannot determine that it is unstable. We can going to determine where the location of the roots, then only we can conclude that system stability. Is it clear, dear? All of you? Any doubt? Your answer. Any doubt in this problem? Arshit?
So your voice is breaking.
Hello? Arshit? Soumya Suresh? Abhinav? Shita Gupta?
Now it is audible.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Srihari? Siddharth?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. So you can try to practice some more problem. Okay. So next class onwards we will in the route array. As for now, we are identified that where the roots are located, and according to the location of the roots, we are determined what is the system stability. Further improvisation we will discuss in the next class. You have any doubt up to that point, you can ask, otherwise we'll complete. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hello,
Thank you, sir.
Arshit?
Sir, I had one doubt, sir.
Please wait. Hello, wait, my voice is audible. Arshit,
So it's breaking sometimes.
now it is okay.
Yes, sir.
Coming Wednesday during extramural hour, I am planning to conduct one class. Okay, 1 to 2. I am planning to conduct because last week, because of the exam duty, I haven't taken the class. I want to substitute that class for coming Wednesday. Please convey the already left the class. Please convey the message. During extramural hour, 11 to 11:50, I am planning to conduct the class. Okay, dear. Is it audible?
Yes,
My
sir.
voice is audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, dear. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes, dear, you can ask.
Sir, not in this topic, sir. The steady state error topic, sir. There was one question in your slide, sir, where the system was a non-unity feedback system, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, in that method, sir, if we convert the system to unity feedback and find the error, it is coming different. And sir, if we take the closed loop transfer function and do that, the answer is coming different, sir.
You no need to convert. Why already given that is non-unity feedback? Why you are converting into unity feedback?
Okay, okay. So we should not convert, sir.
You should not convert.
Okay,
For
sir.
steady state error, whatever it is given in the h of s, you can keep it as it. Suppose 2-3 feedbacks are there. That time only inner loop you can going to complete by using absorption of the absorption rule. And
Okay,
final
sir.
loop you can keep it as this.
So your voice is breaking, sir.
Hello, Siddharth.
Yes, sir.
I have given the answers in the PPT itself, I think. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I just tried it the other way. That's. I just tried it.
Please don't. That is wrong method. What you told. You should not proceed in that way.
Okay, sir. Okay.
If you have further query, please you can ask. I'm ready to clarify that.
Sir, so
Okay,
you were
dear.
saying
Thank
that if
you.
multiple feedbacks are there, then we can absorb and we can keep the outer feedback as it is, right, sir?
Yes, dear. Yes, dear. Inner loop only you can going to apply absorption of the loop. The final loop will be there. No final feedback. You
Yes,
can
sir.
keep it as it's for h of s. The same type of problem already given in the class. One more problem. You can check it out. The inner loop we have solved and the outer loop we have kept it for h of s is same.
Yes, sir.
And we have solved. In that procedure only you can proceed, dear.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.